How to back up WhatsApp on iPhone to Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're wondering how to back up WhatsApp on your iPhone to Google Drive, you might think it's impossible, but don't worry. I've got a simple and effective solution for you. So in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can safely store your chats on Google Drive. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And once you are inside, simply tap on settings in the bottom navigation bar. Now here, simply scroll down and tap on chats. Now inside the chat option, you can see two options, chat backup and export chat. Since we want to back up to Google Drive, simply tap on export chat. Now here on the next screen you'll see a list of frequently contacted and recent chats. Since WhatsApp doesn't allow a full backup to Google Drive, we'll have to export chats individually. So tap on the chat that you want to back up, choose whether you want to include media or not. For this video, I'm going without media. And once you have done that, simply select Google Drive as the destination. Now, pick the Google account where you want to save the backup. You can also create a new folder specifically for WhatsApp backups if needed. And once everything is set, simply tap Save and your chats will be backed up to Google Drive successfully. And that's it. Now you know how to back up WhatsApp on your iPhone to Google Drive easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.